First and foremost, the reason why you put the short ram intake on is because you want some turbo noise. So I think an important thing to do is to get a sound comparison between the short ram intake and the Spragley ones. Spragley enclosed intake is mounted up to the fender. Man, I must say it looks pretty good. I'm a fan. Clearly the intake noise between the short ram and the Spragley enclosed intake is quite different.